I've now just set this wind thermometer up, my wind thermometer up, and we're going to be flying around all the tools. So now we're going to be taking the drone out. Hold on. Where should we put this? Why didn't we bring the big camera to do this? About here, right? There we go. Now, perfect. I'll either put my controller down for 1 minute.
Check your wind speed.
Okay. Let's go fast. Going up to 14 and 15. So it goes to fly.
Yep.
This one. There we go. Why is
Yep.
the map so white?
No, hang on, because it doesn't know where it is yet. Okay, so what you need to do, look at me. This is set on photographs at the moment, so set it on video. Okay, and listen, what's it on the bottom? It's 1080p, look.
So this one?
Yep. Scroll across.
Wait.
All the way to the end. Keep going. Keep going, that's it. Then the one at the top, scroll it across. There you go.
4K.
Yep, then touch the screen. Okay.
Ready for takeoff?
And then you're going to push record. Good lad.
Taking off. Good. I'm still going up.
Come on then.
You can't tell, I'm still going up.
Okay, and then what I want you to do is travel, put the gimbal down slightly. Stop, too much. Up a bit more. Up a bit more, up a bit more. Stop. What you're going to do is you're going to fly until you get to the river. See those trees?
Yeah.
Yeah? You want to fly to that bit there. Go on then, off you go. Record. Go on then, off you go. Yep. Okay.
Yep. Do you want me to go into sports mode
No.
to go faster?
Nope. Up if you can. Stop. Good lad. Well done. Alright.
Mhm. Are we nearly at max altitude?
Yeah, nearly. You're at, well, look, what are you at there? Look, 116 metres. Okay.
Mhm. Also, I can see the thingy for ticket.
Keep going then. Okay, and we'll be returning today on 40%, okay?
Okay. We'll turn on that percent when we're
Because of the
out.
wind. We'll be returning when it gets to 40%, okay?
Okay.
coming.
It went
bad.
forwards a little.
Well done. It's good.
It went forwards a
Yeah, it's
little.
okay, mate. Good job.